Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can edit and or delete a lead management rule that you have set up for your command. If you're not familiar with lead management rules, you can definitely check out our other tip video to show you how to create a lead management rule. These are rules that you set up within your command so that anytime you have a new lead come into your command database, your command system can either auto apply a tag to that lead and or auto start that lead on one of your smart plans. So in order to locate these lead management rules, you'll first go to your name in the top right, go to settings, go to command settings, and then from here, contacts, and then come down to lead management. So these will be the lead rules that you have already created right here. This is for a solo agent, a personal account. If you are on a team and you're looking for the lead management rules within the team, you would want to click your name up here at the top right and make sure to toggle over to the team account. Now, if you are not seeing the ability to view, edit, or delete the lead management rules for the team, it is likely due to your team permissions, and you'll want to speak to your rainmaker in order to see about getting you access to those or having them edit them on your behalf. So here we have our lead management rules. If you need to edit them, you can easily click the edit pencil right here, and it will open the lead management rules so that you can make a change. Maybe you didn't like the tag and you need to have a different tag applied, or maybe multiple ones. So you can do that. And you can also remove the smart plan or add it to a different smart plan as well. It will also allow you to change the name of the rule and also the lead sources if you need to do so. Okay. Once you are done editing, you can click Save Changes. That will be applied immediately. You'll see that green banner of success. Now, if you need to delete one of your lead management rules, you would click the trash can instead. It asks you to confirm, click yes, delete. Please know that that is permanent and there is no way to undo it once you delete it. You would actually have to come back and recreate that rule if you needed it. If you have any questions about this or anything else to do with your KW platforms, please give us an email. It is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.